ringing EAS alarms. It's baby time, America. .5 out of 10. I like it. This is where I live, Canada. I don't have to rate it. No rating, okay? Japan. It's another good one. Let's rate the J alert. Meh, it's barely creepy. Okay. Australia. Israel! I'm allowed to show my face. Hold up. There we go. Okay, you're great. Negative 20 out of 10. Saudi Arabia. It's not that scary. Listen now. It's not that scary. New Zealand again. 6.6 out of 10. It's okay. Yavalu. 90 out of 10. This is a great alarm. I don't care if it's not that scary, but I know it isn't. It isn't. Okay. Yeah, you know. Now it's time for Wales. 10 out of 10. I don't give a shit. Papua New Guinea. Iraq. Oh. This is scary, dude! Is that country again? I'll just shit myself if I just woke up to this.